is required. In spirit of overcoming COVID-19, I would like to show you guys the importance of wearing a mask. Nowadays, you hear lots of people asking you to wear a mask, but do you really know the importance of wearing a mask? Come on, let's see! The air we breathe goes down to our nose, to our windpipe and last into our lungs, and so does the viruses in the air. For my experiment today, I will be needing 2 wet tissues to represent the lungs. The reason why I have chosen wet tissues instead of dry tissues is to show the moisture within the lungs. Next, we will be needing 1 filter paper to represent the mask and some colored water to represent the germs. I would recommend you guys to wear some gloves so you don't get your hands dirty, unless you love to get your hands dirty. Today, I'll be aiming to answer 3 main questions, which are: what are the advantages of wearing a mask, the disadvantages of not wearing a mask, and how does germs spread to the air? My hypothesis for this experiment is that lung A, the lung with the filter paper, will have less risk of catching the virus than lung B. Now let's move on to our experiment. Step 1. Spray the colored water or germs on the lungs. Oops, I almost forgot. For accurate reading, we'll be spraying 5 sprays per lung. Let's do it. This lung already looks healthier. Let's get to the results. To measure the intensity of the germs, we're going to measure the area that the germs have covered. To measure the area that the germs have covered, I'm going to be drawing grids on both the papers, each 2 cm long and 2 cm wide. You take out the filter paper on lung A before you draw the grids. Now, mark down the grids that have virus in them. Through drawing grids, we found out that lung B has 24 units of virus and lung A, the lung with the filter paper, only covers 13 units of virus. That means people who choose not to wear a mask are twice times likely to catch the virus than people who wear the mask. Whoa, that's a lot of virus! Wearing a mask is much more important than you think. By wearing a mask, we get to protect ourselves and our community too. So remember guys, next time when you leave your house, make sure to wear your mask. Stay safe guys, bye!
Hello Tharshana. Thank you for submitting your entry, and we at AISS are so privileged to be able to view your video. Although it was not a requirement, but you managed to creatively tie in your experiment with the ongoing pandemic, and I felt that that was absolutely brilliant. Well done! From the observation to the conclusion, your science experiment video was clear, easy to follow, reproducible and concise. In addition, your video was so fun to watch because you managed to engage with your audience. Well done, Tharshana. We just want to share some feedback and comments to help you further improve in the future. Firstly, instead of using the filter paper to represent the mask, why not use an actual mask? You can cut out the mask to a suitable dimension, and this would definitely bring your experiment up a few notches. To further improve your experiment, again, you can use the actual 3-ply surgical mask and separate the 3 layers, and that can be your independent or your manipulated variable, the number of layers. So you have one setup with 3 layers and the wet tissue, 2 layers, 1 layer and just the bare wet tissue. That would have given you more data which you can display using a graph. Overall, your video is definitely winning material and you should be proud of yourself. Well done, keep it up, and may you be the next scientist of AISS.